For 20 years, Debbie Mitchell's doctors told her she'd eventually have to have heart valve replacement.
But I really did not have any symptoms up until May of this year. Push mowing the yard and shortness of breath, and I knew it was time. I just called Dr. Boo-Hussein and just told him that the symptoms I was having, and he went ahead and set me up an appointment pretty fast and went in and had an echo, and he said, yeah, it's kind of past time. We need to get this done. I lost my husband in January with pancreatic cancer. He had also had a triple bypass in June, the same time I had mine, of last year, of 2023. He had been through this same rehab, and he loved it. And it has really helped me with my depression from losing him, being around the people. Everybody's smiling, even though what they've been through, they're all smiling when you come in. The education has really helped also, controlling, your weight and your blood pressure, and I feel better, feel so much better. And the nurses are great. They have all been a big help.
It's so rewarding to see a patient come in so kind of worn down from their experience, and then to see how they leave.
I've seen a big improvement. I feel like, really and truly, I feel like I'm back 100%. I'm back to doing my yard work, my weed eating, and everything. I'm gonna really miss coming here. It really gives me something to do and people to talk to and have fun with. And I mean, even though it's hard work, we still have a lot of fun. I would highly recommend Iredell Memorial for cardiac rehab.